And that's our problem now in the 21st century. And we can go about the Perry Anderson theory, like the idea that, or Frederick James, this idea na there was a sense na a different world is possible. Something that probably is harder for us in this era of simulacro and postmodern nonsense, right?
Oh, you put it very well.
Parang ganun, diba?
Yeah,
that a different world is within our grasp, right? Let's go for it, right?
But
Brodelyard. Huh?
our movement,
Yeah.
our movement, history, and we were all on the same trajectory.
Exactly, yeah.
Because history was on our side.
Yeah.
Yun yung malakas na...
Ang lakas na effect. Yun ang hypnosis. That's the hypnosis.
Yan yung panahon na yan. Ha? Yan yung panahon na sinulat ni Brodelyard, yung simulation ng simulacra. Yan yun, no?
Yeah.
Tapos nakita mo yung EDSA, di ba? Na
Right.
practically simulacra rin. No?
Exactly. Before we go to the depressing 1980s, ikaw, sir, obviously you're from a younger generation. And
Obviously.
Oh, well, let's just say we're friends yet still. No, but Sir Ronald, what was the effect of martial law? How did your family absorb it? Because they're part of Napolcom. Obviously, directly involved. I don't want to put I'm not saying it in an incriminating way, pero yung stakes are very high. In his case, kasi he's in
they were afraid. They were very afraid, pero never nila ako hinarangan. No?
Really?
Yeah. Almawa, galing ako sa demolition sa Barrio Magsaysay sa Tondo. No, first time ko nakitang hinahampas ng yantok, yung mga Metrocom hinahampas yung mga buntis ng mga squatters, no?
Right.
First time pag-uwi ko, sugat-sugatan ako. Hindi ako pinapagalitan ng mother.
Because they know you're doing the right thing.
Yes. Then alam naman nila namulat ako dahil sa kanila. Whether they like it or not, no? Whether they intended it or not. So, may ganun, no? Pero nung nasa university ako, at I also went underground while a student, no? Doon na yung debate about strategies. Dahil yung aming leader, gusto Paul Mill, political military action.
Exactly.
Tapos nagkaroon ng isang disaster na Paul Mill activity. Kami mga student leaders, no, sabi, what are we doing? Wala pa nga tayong base, pupunta na tayo sa mga ganyang klase action. So, nag-decision kami, we have to organize first. No? Problema, wala kaming makitang mga seniors sa amin. Unlike kila Walden kasi, may tradition. FQS, UP Commune, etc. So, merong mga generation na magagaling. Na pwede nilang sabihin na elders nila. Kami wala eh. So, kami yung elders. So, we have to reinvent itong pinagsimulan namin na Christian progressive ethos. No? And we began to read books. Doon namin, dahil wala namang curriculum, so, iba't ibang libro yung nakuha namin. We were shaped by different motivations, different impulses, different intellectual at saka ideological impulses. Tapos yung synthesis niyan, shape what we are. No? At doon kami nakapunta sa isang progressive ethos which has to be democratic. No? Yun yung namin. It has to be humanist. Hindi ito dapat na yung mga pinanggalingan ni Walden, mga talagang destroy the state, no, by any means possible, no, primarily through armed struggle. Hindi ganun yung aming dogma. Ang namin ay let's be eclectic, no, let's be more open to other ideas. Let us fight the dictatorship, but not to become dictators ourselves, no. Yun yung aming
parang ayoko maniwala si Ronald na ganyan kayo.
So whether tama o mali, doon kami nanggaling. Hindi siya shaped ontologically. It was a work in progress. At later on, when we were still young, in our 20s, no, nung nag-drop out kami, na-meet namin sila Dodong, sila Randy, no, na-meet namin yung mga yan.
Let's talk about them because
Rene, no,
let's talk about Dodong.